Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I want us to revise with you construction, which comes every year in mathematics paper 2. Okay, so I'll be as fast as possible, so I need you to pay attention. You need the protractor, you need the compass, you need the short pencil, you also need the 15 centimeter rule and the other pencil, including a plain paper. You need that. Okay, the laser, the rubber, just in case you make a mistake, and well as a sharpener. Okay, so what I'll do first, I'll put the short pencil into the compass like this. Okay, so make sure that it is not too short or too long. So do like that to have the best distance, the suitable distance to use. And your compass should not be too weak. Okay, it should be at least as firm as possible. Okay, so we start question 1A, Roman numeral 1. Construct a triangle ABC in which AB is equals to 6 centimeters, BC is equals to 9 centimeters, and the AC, which is equals to 5 centimeters. Okay, so the first thing, you have to measure the first distance given. Always that becomes your base. So when you're constructing, you better start at the middle of the page, at the middle of your plain paper, like this, so that you don't have any shortage of the plain paper. Okay, so put it at the center. So what we want to measure is 6 centimeters. So I'm going to measure 6 centimeters. Count starting from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So just remove it a bit so it can be at the middle. So this is my 6 centimeters. Okay, that is our A, B, and that is our 6 centimeters. Okay, then next we are saying we have to construct another line, which is BC equals to 9 centimeters. So B and C, which you don't know where it is equals to 9 centimeters. So because we don't know where C is, we have to use the compass. So we measure the size 9 centimeters from the compass using a 15 centimeter rule. Okay, do like this. So measure 9 centimeters. Okay, so that is our 9 centimeters. Now what we want is BC. So put the point of the compass at B and draw an arc above your first line on top as big as possible, because you don't know where the arc will have to meet the other arc. Okay, so draw as big as possible. So you are not supposed to draw a line yet, because you don't know where these two lines are meeting. Okay, the other line we want to draw is AC, which is equals to 5 centimeters. Another, the same point C, we don't know where it is exactly, is equals to 5 centimeters. So measure 5 centimeters. So when measuring, don't use the actual paper, use the question paper to avoid any dirty, unnecessary dirty. So measure 5 centimeters. Okay, so I'll put it here so that you can see. That is my 5 centimeters. So AC is equals to 5 centimeters. So we'll have to draw the arc from A going to C. Okay, so that is my AC, which is 5 centimeters. Okay, so this is what I said, that you need to draw as big as possible. As you can see that I've missed a bit here. So what I'll do, I know this is already 9 centimeters. Okay, so this is the point where 9 centimeters is meeting with the 5 centimeters. So this is where the point C is. This is where the point C is. So just join the two lines. Join the two lines so that you can have a triangle. Okay, so we join this side. You also have to join this side. Okay, so that is a triangle. This is 9 centimeters. This is 5 centimeters. Okay, we are done with construction. Now we go to question A, Roman number 2. Measure and write the size of angle ABC. The size of angle ABC. So when measuring angles, we use the protractor. So how do we use the protractor? So you have to put the center of the protractor where the angle which we're measuring is. So here, when they say the angle ABC, mean that we're measuring angle B, right at the middle. So you have to put the center of the compass. The center is a line where this horizontal line and the vertical line are meeting. You have to put it at this point. Now you have to make sure that this black line is in line with this line which we drew in the beginning. Okay, should be straight. Okay, measure starting from 0. Measure starting from 0. So 0, we have two readings here. Be careful, do not use this. You cannot count starting from 180. We are starting from 0. Why are we starting from this side, not from this 0 here? It's because the angle we want is ABC. We are starting from A, so we have to go this side. Okay, so the angle we want is this angle here. So from 0, 10, 20, 30. So with me, this is 32 degrees. Okay, so this is 32 degrees. So the way we answer this, you write question 1, whichever question it could be in the exam. Maybe it's question 7, maybe question 5. So this question 1, A, Roman numeral 1, just say refer to the loss. Loss is a plural for everything which we'll be doing here. Okay, then for Roman numeral 2, we have been told to measure and write the size. Okay, they didn't say measure and label. If they say measure and label, we put it here. Now measure and write down the size of angle ABC is equals to 32 degrees, the way I measured it. Okay, now we go to question B. Within the triangle ABC, draw the locus of points which are equidistant from A and C. Draw the locus of points which are equidistant from A and C. So we want to draw a line which is equidistant from A and C. In other language, they want you to bisect this line AC. Okay, so AC, how can we bisect that? Use compass. So use the smallest radius as possible. Okay, so I'm going to reduce this. Use the smallest radius as possible, less than half. The same radius I've used to go to the other letter asked, which is C. Not changed. Draw the arc again. The the same radius, don't change. Then you can extend your radius a bit, extend the radius a bit, go at this point, the new point which we have from making. Now you can use the same any radius of your choice which you want here. You can use something big, you can use something small. So for me, I've decided to use something small. Okay, so draw as big as possible. If you want, you can even draw a circle. Okay, you can draw a circle like this. Then we go to the other point here. Okay, we draw the arc, just a small one where it meets the frame. Okay, even there. So in this case, you need to draw a line connecting these 2 points, but remember we have been told within the triangle, so the line which we are going to draw should not be outside the triangle, should be within, according to the language which is there. So using this point and this point, they are going to help you to draw a straight line. Okay, so do like this. That's all. Should not go outside, since we have been told that it should be within. Okay, then within the triangle ABC, draw the locus of point which are 3 centimeters from A. 3 centimeters from A. So measure 3 centimeters using the ruler and the compass. Measure 3 centimeters. You have to be careful not to use the inches. So read carefully. Here is 10 centimeters, here it is inches. So we want centimeters. So we want to draw 3 centimeters from A. So measure our 3 centimeters. That is our 3 centimeters. And put back our A. Okay, so we want 3 centimeters from A, meaning that you go where A is and draw the 3 centimeter arc like this. Should be within the triangle. According to the question, they're saying within the triangle. Okay, you just have to continue with it. Okay, so we need to continue with the other part. So we have question Roman number 3. We want to draw the locus of points which are equidistant from AC and BC. Here we had one letter. Here we have 2 letters. Here also we have 2 letters. So what we do is we go at the common letter. We go at the common letter. Here there is AC, there is BC. The common letter is C. So this is the common letter. You have to place the point of the compass at the common letter. In this case, the common letter is, okay, I'll do it like this so that you do it properly. At the common letter C, like that, using any radius of your choice, but a smaller one. Draw the arc. Okay, when you draw that arc, you can extend a bit. If you want, you can still use the same one, or it can even be outside. If you don't want a lot of things inside the triangle, you can put it outside like this. You have to be very accurate. Okay, so you draw the arc. Oh, it's changing. This one is not okay. So draw the arc. You go to the other side, the same radius, don't change. Draw the arc. So where the 2 meet, that is where the point we are looking for is. So we want this point where these 2 lines are meeting. Now we need to use this point and this point to draw a straight line, though that line should not go outside, it should be within. Okay, so okay, so that is the equidistant which we have drawn. We are done with that. Now we go to this question. This is just a description of a location, a place, which just requires you the understanding of English. So this question reads, a point P within a triangle ABC is such that it is less than or equal to 3 centimeters from A. So this point P is less than or equal to 3 centimeters from A. If you check the line, this is our 3 centimeters from A. Now they are saying that it is less than or equal to 3 centimeters, meaning that starting from this side would be the region P. I'm not saying that's the answer yet. We still need to continue. Okay, so the same point P is nearer to BC than AC. It is nearer to BC than AC. This is a line dividing these two lines into two equal halves. Okay, now the point P is less than or equal to 3 centimeters. Again, it is nearer to BC. So meaning starting from this side, going this side. So here now we are cutting it to be here. Okay, so starting from here, starting from our 3 centimeters here. Okay, hope you can see that. Then from there, the same point P, it is closer to A than C. It is closer to A than C. Okay, and this is a line dividing these two parts together. Two equal halves. So the region which is being described here, it is this part. Okay. Finally, this is the region which they want us to identify. You even get 2 marks for that. Okay, so that's how you handle construction question, but you need to practice to become as fast as possible and as neat as possible. Thank you so much. If it's your first time to watch my videos, please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share the video so that whenever I post a new video, it will be uploaded or uplifted to what is happening. Thank you so much. Bye bye.